So it's been a busy day here at the cabin. I was logging this birch, which is down here. I cut it down to pieces. I will make firewood out of it. The tree fell right here in the corner of that roof. So there was a little drama. I'm lucky I didn't hit those rafters here, so I have to repair all of this here. And so I had these roof sheets at home, so I'm lucky it had the same profile, so I just picked two pieces from home and I carried them here with my boat, and it's all done now. Let's take a look at from a different angle. Here it turned out to be okay. I'm happy with the result. So it was a busy day, quite busy afternoon here. Here are the old roof sheets. Look at that. I put this solar power owl here, standing here. This birch was already bended towards the cottage. I know I should have pulled it into that direction with a winch or some rope or something, but I didn't do that, so it crashed into the cottage. So that's what happened here. But anyway, I managed to repair the damage and it's all done now and it's okay. Next thing to do is just to heat up the sauna and go swimming, so I don't destroy anything else here. See you.